welcome to our room, 18031 on the MSC Seashore and Yacht Club.
Ooh. It's pretty roomy.
Yes. So you want to start here. So as soon as you walk in, there's hooks. I love this little nook.
Yeah, that's actually look like a connection room. So if you have a family, you can actually have a room connected between the other ones.
Yep. But
So,
I like that for the luggage. And then there's a closet here where you can hang your long stuff.
Leave it open.
We'll do the bathroom after.
Perfect.
Oh, and there's this stuff, like if you want to make up your room, do not disturb. So, and then of course, love the Nespresso machine, storage, lots of storage. Oh, plenty of room for all my makeup and stuff. Blow dryer, little ottoman, more storage. Oh, look at this. Some snacks. Oh, I thought there was another one. There's not.
Nope,
But
that's it.
I think I broke the drawer already. It won't go in. Oh, no.
I think they're set
Okay.
closing.
And then, oh, the fridge. So when you're in Yacht Club, everything is included. You do get a Toblerone. But if you want an extra one, you have to pay for it. But they will take out stuff and put stuff in if you want different things.
Well, like my Fanta.
Yeah, but we like Diet Coke instead of regular Coke. So definitely we'll change that out.
There's another,
Yeah, and then the phone.
there's another closet there.
Oh, this is nice. All the drawer space. Perfect, safe. Of course, we have, these are Yacht Club slippers, but we did not see robes. But when you're in Yacht Club, you get robes, which we will get. So yeah, lots of room. I love the divider here.
It would look like they have a USB port next to the bed.
Yep. Just on the one side though, unfortunately, but
Yeah, it's better than nothing.
yep. And
More
more
sport.
storage. next
Definitely
to the
very,
bed.
very roomy.
Very roomy.
How's the bathroom?
Bathroom. Very nice, very nice.
Oh, look at
Marble. Again, lots of storage.
You want to show the storage?
Well, yeah, you walk in, there's this, and there's a few shelves there. Plenty underneath with extra tissues, toilet paper, makeup mirror, liquid soap, lotion, more storage. That's where your garbage is.
And the shower. Go inside the shower, see how big it is.
Oh, the shower. This has a little,
Oh, wow, they have a little seat there.
which can also work as a shaving thing, because I need a shaving bar.
It's a nice shower.
Yes, very nice, big and roomy, and it includes the shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. And look at the rain shower.
I know. That's great.
Awesome.
It's a nice room.
Very nice.
I think we were just on World America, and they're pretty similar from the World America room that we had. The
Yep.
bathroom was a little bit bigger on World America.
Yep. But they didn't have this on World
Yeah, I
America.
kind of like that. Definitely plenty of storage. Like if you're here for like a longer cruise, then we only here for 4 days, but
Yep.
awesome.
Awesome.
You want to check out the balcony?
Yes.
Just is a sign to say wet paint, so be careful touching anything. Oh, it's breezy.
Very nice and roomy. Oh. And we're next to a bigger balcony room, so we can see them and they can see us if we're out here.
So our room is a connection room to look like a suite. That's a very big balcony.
Yes.
It's bigger than the one to be worn at World America. World America was a little bit narrow.
I feel like the room is wider.
It is. I think like it. Awesome. Smell the fresh paint. But that's here for a room. I definitely love the mirror.
So there's a tour of our room, 18031 on the MSC Yacht Club. MSC Seashore in Yacht Club.
Perfect.